Check out this 2017 Freightliner Cascadia mid-roof sleeper. Equipped with a DD13 and 450 horsepower and a 12-speed automatic transmission for optimal fuel economy. Exposed aluminum tanks with a 245-inch wheelbase and a 3.08 ratio, virgin drive tires, drum brakes all around, air slide fifth wheel, a battery-powered APU to keep you comfortable during your downtime. As you step inside, you'll be met with dual air ride seats, smart wheel controls to help limit distractions on the road, a single bunk, and plenty of storage. If you're looking at buying a low-cost Freightliner or any other truck, give American Motors a call today.